The folks over at LaCie put out a brand new product, the DJI Copilot, and it is a Videoguys top product of 2018. I've got it over here. Oh, sorry about that, folks. Things happen. It's a great little product. This is a complete hard drive that you use in the field to transfer footage directly from your DJI, your drone. So it's got a, I'm going to put it on the pedestal here so you can see it. It's got a card reader built into it, as well as the ability to take the footage from the card directly from your drone, pop the card in, put it right on here. You can see it, you can monitor, you can use the footage. We've done a show on it. We really like it. It's very exciting. It's a good, solid product. Want to stress here that while you'll see in this image, we show you a drone because it's made as a DJI drone product. The drone is not included, folks. For $349, you get this product right here, and that's what you get your hands on. But it's a great little product. It'll give you the ability to back up on set as well. So it's 2 terabytes of storage, so even if you don't have a drone, it's a very good product to use for anyone who's in the field. It's rugged, it's waterproof, water resistant, very solid construction, very well built, a very good product. We recommend it highly. You can offload your media. Congratulations to LaCie on a great job coming out with this product, a Videoguys top product of 2018, the LaCie DJI Copilot.